Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy New, and for today's video I want to showcase some of the items that I detest in my closet. I have some stuff in my closet that I wish that I did not get overstimulated and got online, and now I'm left with the stuff that I do not wear at all. I haven't worn before in my closet. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Let's jump right into the video. So let's start off with this dress that I got. I think it was from Fashion Nova like 2-3 years ago. I remember browsing the website, and in my mind I thought that this dress was fantastic. Mind you, this is like a see-through sequence type of dress. I don't even know why I got this. The fact that it's sequins and see-through, it's just nauseating for me, because where the hell am I going to wear this to? So I had to put on something underneath, because if I don't, it won't be for this tube shot, it'll be for another tube. So I want to stay on this tube, so I decided to pair this with a undergarment. It's super uncomfortable, it itches, it feels yucky on the skin. I think I might be left with some bruises later because it's just super uncomfortable on the ends, because they have to fold the ends over and it's just rubbing against my skin, so it's just super uncomfortable. So I detest this dress so much. I don't even know why I would get it. I have never worn it before, and I definitely have no plans in wearing this. This should definitely be a crime to go outside in. So this is definitely a no for me, and I am just super disappointed in myself to get this dress. So on to this next one. I don't know if I should be embarrassed by the first one or this one, and I don't even know which one is worse. So this is another sequence mess. At least this one is lined, so it's not so itchy. Back is a little bit itchy, but the front part is tolerable, so it's not too bad. But I look like a big old disco ball. Trust me, if you're missing your disco ball, I'm probably wearing it. And I don't even know why I would buy this. It's just too overly exposed. I feel like a disco streetwalker. Where am I gonna wear this? The sides are cut out, legs are showing, the back is out. I can't adjust the back because I need major help, so just pretend that it's closed. So I believe I got this from Chic Couture. When they were in this sequin phase, I thought that, oh my gosh, this is the ish, but it's not. I've never worn this before, nor I plan on wearing it, so I'm definitely gonna get rid of this crap because it's just doing way too much. Yeah, this one, I detested it too, but at least I could say it's not as uncomfortable as the other one. I'm really not a fan of sequins at all, and ew. Just ew. So on to this next one. I mean, the color is gorgeous. I think it suits my skin phenomenally, but the thing is that, I don't know, I don't like the split at the front here. It seems like I tripped and ripped my dress wide open. Like, I don't get the slit at the front. It's just throwing me off a little bit. I mean, this dress is not as bad as the previous one that I showcased earlier, but it's just off balance to me. I don't really like the slit at the front. And again, I don't even know where I will wear this dress to. So in my mind, I am hating it more than I should, but I just don't like it. I haven't worn this before either. And I don't know if I turn the slit to the side, if it could give it a different look than to the front. To me, it looks a lot better like this instead of just stacked in the middle right here. It's just throwing me off a bit. But then again, even with the adjustments, I still don't know where I will wear it to. But I think the color though looks great. I have to give it that. Let me know down below what you think of this dress, if you like it or not. So the next one is this dress that I got from Chic Couture also about 3 years ago, and I have never worn this dress before. I don't really detest this so much. It's only the fact that I have nowhere to wear this to. I think it's not bad, but it just doesn't suit me, and I have no occasion that I would like to wear this dress to. So it's just sitting in my closet looking at me, and I'm looking back at her like, what? So this is a no from me, but it's not too bad. But I just detest the fact that I have nowhere to wear it and that it doesn't suit my style. But one thing I can admit though is that it looks beautiful on my skin. I can say that this dress is flattering to my skin tone, which is a plus, but I just don't have any occasion for for this dress. So let me know down below what you think of this dress, if you do like it, and if you have any suggestions on where I can wear it to. So now onto this atrocity, horrendous ridiculousness. Another sequence again. I don't know, I feel like I'm not from this era. I'm from the 1970s because I don't get the obsession with sequins like 2-3 years ago, but I was caught up into it and I got another sequence number, and this is a jumpsuit. Like, this will suit like a 70s party. Like, I definitely feel like I need to be in the Doja Cat Say So video, because I just feel like doing this all night wearing this. This is how I feel. I feel like I should be a backup dancer to Elvis or something. What I detested the most about this is that it's sequins, of course, but it's the fact that it doesn't fit me entirely. At the bottom, it's too short. It looks like I took my measurement in water, and it's just ridiculous. But I do think that it gives my body a cute little shape, but I just hate the sequins. It feels uncomfortable and my skin itches like crazy, and I think I have ripped up my skin a little bit. So sequins is definitely a no for me. So yeah, but otherwise from that, the fit does flatter my body, except for the horrific sensation of the sequins against my skin. So yeah, I need to take this off before I start itching like crazy. So let's move on to the other one. So onto this dress. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence about this because initially when it came like 2-3 years ago, it's from Chic Couture also, I believe. Like, I was just so addicted to Chic Couture. I don't know, I didn't like it because in my mind it's like, where would I wear this to? Could I wear this to like a pool party or just walk around the house just being extra in this? I don't know. With the long hair and everything, it's just making me feel fabulous, honey. I don't really hate nor love it. I think it's just okay. I just have to figure out where I can wear this to. But yeah, I think out of everything, this is the one that I don't really hate, but I sure don't really love it either. So onto this dress. I got this dress from Zara like a year and a half, 2 years ago. I got this dress 2 years ago from Zara, and I kid you not, it's on the wrong side, but with this makeup and all, I am not going to take this dress off. It looks the very same on the right side. So okay, fine, I went ahead and changed it. It's a whole production shot, but this is how it looks. I mean, it's not the worst. I feel like it ages me a bit and on the mature side for me, and it makes me feel like I am carrying a baby and makes me feel like I want to make a baby, but the devil is a liar, so it's a sign that I need to take this dress off. This was definitely one of the phases on Zara where these dresses were very popular like a year or two ago, and I got sucked into this trend and I wore this dress once, but at least I did get a wear out of it because I definitely have one coming up next that was an atrocity for me. I got influenced and it did suit the person that wore the dress, but it didn't suit me. So let's jump into the other atrocity that I did not like from this type of Zara phase that was going around. So onto this atrocity. It doesn't fit, which is great because I hate it so much. I'm gonna pop up a picture if I can find it of how it would fit and how it looks. This is just an atrocity. I don't even know, I was just so influenced. This was showcased to me first on Janae's Idol Lux YouTube channel, and she dresses this fantastic and she looks great. However, for me, it's a no. I don't like this dress. Out of everything I have in my closet, I do regret this one astronomically. This one is just a dead no, and I'm so happy that doesn't fit. So finally I can get rid of this thing. This should definitely be a crime and not a crime of passion, honey. This is a crime of devastation, and I want my money back. Like, I've never worn this before and I need my money back from Zara. Okay, it's my money and I need it now and real fast. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you will consider to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video and comment down below. I will see you in my next one. Bye.